we're pre-programmed to do.
One popular notion is that the baby starts out in the world with a completely blank slate mind, no expectations, and finds the world this incredibly confusing, chaotic barrage of impressions and sensations. In fact, this is very, very far from the truth.
Where is he going?
Yale psychologist Karen Wynn believes that human babies are born with surprising mental capacity. She's convinced that young babies even know how to do math. At her lab, she uses toys to show babies simple addition and subtraction problems. Knowing what a baby is thinking is no easy task, so she uses what is called the looking time method.
What a good looker you are.
It's well known that babies tend to look longer at things that they find surprising or unexpected. So we can show them little arithmetical situations, if you will, little magic shows, in which babies see some number of objects being added to some other number. And by sneakiness on the part of the experimenter, we can either make the outcome be the correct outcome or an incorrect outcome.
2 minus 1 equals 1. This 10-month-old is bored and looks away after only a few seconds.
Where's he going?
But when things don't add up,
Up goes the screen.
1
What's this?
plus 1
Where's he going?
equals 1. The baby seems surprised and stares at the outcome for much longer.
Good job, Bella. Good job.
To the layperson's eye, the reactions are subtle, but the results are consistent.
Watch the screen.
6-month-olds
Where's he going?
and even 4-month-olds can add and subtract. As surprising as Wynn's controversial discoveries may be, it makes evolutionary sense for human babies to have a grasp of math early on.
I would have been surprised not to get that finding because it's actually very consistent with what we know from findings in a lot of non-human species.
Bees, for example, seem to know where they can find pollen by counting landmarks. And pigeons are thought to calculate which street corner has more crumbs with simply a glance. Although human babies are pre-wired with certain skills and reflexes that help us survive, it's also our ability to learn from our environment that sets us apart. And this process begins deep inside the most complex mechanism in the universe, the brain.